So hello guys, welcome to our video. For today's video guys, we're going to walk. This is my AFAM exercise routine every afternoon. So ayan guys. So samahan nyo kami sa aming paglalakad guys. Ayan, pabawas-bawas ng aming mga taba-taba, konti. How many days he didn't walk because of rainy season here right now in the Philippines. So the summer is finished, so it's time raining every afternoon. Yan, he called my son to closer to him. So every time we walk, they always he carried the rock. Look at my son. He carried the rock because so many dog on the street. I don't understand some other people guys. They wanna take care of the dog, but the dog, they let it go on the street. They don't put in the house, around the house, or tidy them up, or put the cage. We have a dog, but our dog is in the house, not outside, like on the street. So yun lang guys. So samahan niyo po kami sa aming paglalakad every afternoon. Lindo. This part here guys is so many dog over here. So this here, always when we turn this part, I scared because lots of dog over here, you know. And then as yeah, look at that guys, so many dog on the street. Hey, sige, naka-video kayo. Sige. Sige, naka-video kayo, sige. Sige. Sige, umayos kayo. Mga ano pa kayo ah. Mangangagat pa yung aso. That's it guys. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.